If I had $50 to start selling snacks at school, then this is exactly how I would spend it in order to 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x, even 100x my investment. I'm gonna tell you exactly how to get the ball rolling just with $50 with this 5-step checklist. When I first started selling at school, I had $0. And no, I didn't get mommy's money or daddy's money. I got my money from recycling cans. And with that cash they gave me, I went to the store and bought my first box of chips. That was in 6th grade, and ever since then, I've always saved money over the summer to invest into my business during the new school year. So I don't want to hear,
"Oh, Rico, I have $0, I don't have 50, I have no money. Please, sir, Rico, give me money so I can buy stuff."
bro, no, I don't want to hear that, because I started with 0. No excuses. So here's how I would get started with just $50 and turn it into this. Step 1, how will you take the snacks? Now I'm assuming you already got a backpack, a bag, or something just for school, or just find a bag or literally anything that will just carry them, because all you need to make sure it does is hold your candy, snacks, and drinks. Even if you have to mix it with your laptop, pencils, your books, or even your lunch, it doesn't matter. People genuinely do not care. They just want the snacks. So always try to make sure it's clean, it doesn't stink, doesn't have no stains. Also, make sure it's easy to access. Like, it's not like just a little pocket on the side of your backpack or something where you have to like peek your hand in. It's gonna take way too long for you to give people their snacks, and it's most likely gonna get you caught. So we don't need to spend any money on step 1 because we already have it. Step 2, check out the stores in Amazon. So now we're gonna see which place has the cheapest snacks. Or just use my Amazon list that I created. It's gonna be linked in the description. Because this step, we wanna make sure we get the best deal and the most bang for your buck. Because we don't wanna waste a single dollar, because when you're just starting now, every dollar counts. So step 2 is figure out where you're gonna buy your snacks. And we still haven't spent no money. Step number 3, this step is where we start to spend the money. I want you to get these exact snacks or something similar. So what I want you to get, Airheads, number 1, they cost $11. Takis, number 2, they cost $16. A 40 pack of spicy chips, they cost $20 to $25. A 10 pack of Capri Sun, they cost $3. And if you have any extra money, go to any store or look up anything and get whatever. If you think it'll sell, get it. And if you're wondering how much you should price each item, don't worry, I have a pricing video. Now everything I told you to get is proven to sell. And this is just the start, so don't worry if you want to order something else. Because myself and countless other chip plugs have sold these exact items and make a ton of money from them. Step number 4, sell it. Okay, so now we're $50 in debt and you need to make your money back. So use the bag you chose from step 1 and pack the snacks. And if you don't know how to pack the snacks, then don't worry. I have a how to pack your snack bag video. It's gonna be linked down below. So after you pack the snacks, now you're gonna take them to school and sell them. So this is the returns on everything we bought. The Airheads, they should give you around 30 bucks. Takis, they should give you 25 to 35 or even higher. It just depends on what price you sell them at. 40 pack of spicy chips, same thing. You get 40 bucks or even higher. It just depends on how much you price them at. Capri Suns, this will give you a flat 10 bucks. And anything else you may buy and sell, always make sure you mark it up 100%. So if it's $1, sell it for $2. Step number 5, reinvest in your business. Now is not the time to celebrate the bread you made from selling the first round of snacks, and it should be double your investment. It's time to reinvest into your snack selling business. Keep this momentum up because people are gonna want more and more and more. Now you can buy double because you have more money. And this works with any amount, even if you have less than $50. So after following this 5-step checklist, your $50 will turn into so much more. You need to be with other hustlers that want to make as much money as possible, that all have the same thing in mind: making money, being a young entrepreneur, and a hustler. It's all in the Discord and it'll be linked in the description, so be sure to join it. I appreciate y'all for watching. See you on the next one. Money spread.